Alright, we are having one heck of a lightning show tonight. Wow. It's just non-stop. It's far enough away. And because the sun just went down, it's still light out. But it's really because of the lightning. Oh my god, that is cool. Oh my god. That is crazy. Oh, it just won't quit. I mean, it's far enough away where we're not in any danger. Knock on wood, famous last words, but that is crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, it's about 8:30. Wesley Chapel, Florida. July 19th, 2019. Oh, look at that. Just unbelievable. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, that was unbelievable. Alright, I'm going to try to keep my mouth shut. Wow. This is insane. Cameras. Oh my god. Camera is pointed southwest. That's east. Oh my god. So the sunset. And wow. Unbelievable. If it looks grainy, it's because it's theoretically it's dark out. Isn't that the craziest thing you've ever seen? Oh my god. That is just crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's still scary, even though it's. Oh, oh, whoa. Oh my god. It just doesn't quit. I mean, sure, it rains here. It's the rain season, but this is just really, really unique. French Bulldog, enjoying the show. What you're seeing, folks, is no trick photography. This is God's fireworks show. No rain. Not here, not now. It did. Wow. Oh my God. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, that is just the most. Wow. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Anyway, you get the idea. Hopefully it'll look good. Transfer it to YouTube. Because like I said, it is dark outside, so maybe a little grainy, but from where I'm sitting, this is just the most incredible thing I've ever seen. Again, about 8:40 p.m. July 19th, 2019, Wesley Chapel, Florida, outside of Tampa. And sure beats reruns of House Hunters. It's insane. I can't even shut the damn camera off because who would believe this unless you're actually seeing it? Sure, it's long, but holy crap. Yeah, this is on my back patio, by the way. All right. What more can I tell you? Have you ever seen anything so nuts? Continues to get darker and darker. Every bit of what you're seeing is lightning. Oh my God. This is nuts. I've lived in Florida a long time, man. I've never seen anything quite like it. Hopefully my brothers to the south of us are weathering this storm wherever it is. And it must be pretty far away. What you call heat lightning, I guess, but the frequency and intensity, come on. I'm going to sign off after 10 minutes. I think you get the idea. Seacrest out.